130 is the raise from TM. I see TM's eyes, the smiling eyes of TM. Scotland loves those suited connectors.
So much out there,
Says, I'll play. Over to SETI with 8-6 offsuit. He says that's good enough. Doug comes along. 4 ways to a flop. Damon gives it to us. Queen 10 tray.
Everybody whiffs.
Ace 7 is in the lead. TM checks.
You gotta hurry. It might be pre-flop.
we definitely need to balance our range there and fuck with them in that spot. Like, oh, get in there quick!
He runs back for a walk.
That's funny.
Doug's trying to fuck with me. That's not cool.
Well, he doesn't know the 7 deuce game is on either, so that's gonna be when that finally wakes up.
Nobody's got Delta yet.
What is he doing?
Flush draw now for TM.
Really out of the box here.
I think you realize if you start to see someone going
Raise
crazy.
it 1200.
Sometimes people just do it on their own volition.
Not everybody. There's a special
I did it a couple days ago.
Yeah.
Just for my own.
And then you're like, hey, y'all want to play it?
After you bounty. After you know bounty.
Yeah.
Doug with
After
Doug
you
folds.
negative
It's over to
reroll
TM
yourself.
now.
This is probably like a month ago.
990
Super deep,
to
2-5.
call.
And I
Scotland
three-bet
showing
7 deuce
all
and
sorts of
draw around
creativity
that.
here.
Comes ace, deuce, deuce.
Raising to
And I was
1200
like,
with
oh my
6
God.
high.
Just the nut spot, and I turn a 7.
Little does Scotland know he does have
That's how you
outs.
play 7 deuce guys.
That's a good way to do it.
TM lays it down there, not willing to chase the flush on a paired board. So Scotland getting a little bit creative here, taking it to the streets, making moves.
Don't let that boyish smile fool you, folks. Underneath that boyish smile is a complete savage.
3.3.
Scotland
It almost
Check raise with the
doesn't need to have the goods to win pots.